Memorial State University, where we build the future of law enforcement and public safety.
Today, we invite you to take a closer look to one of the most advanced facilities in the College of Criminal Justice,
Our Criminology Laboratory. As a criminology student at CHMSU, you will have the opportunity to learn in a state-of-the-art laboratory designed to simulate real-world scenarios and experiences and prepare you for the challenges of your chosen career.
As you walk through this door, you're entering a space where future law enforcement professionals are shaped.
The first facility we have here is a forensic ballistics laboratory room. This space is where students learn the intricacies of firearms and ammunition analysis. In our criminology laboratory, you work hands-on with recorded evidence, learning to identify markings and match them to firearms, just like in real-world investigations.
Next, we are entering the question document examination room, wherein the authenticity of written documents and currency is put to the test. In this room, you'll immerse yourself in the meticulous world of forensic document examination. Whether it's analyzing handwriting, comparing signatures, or using sophisticated techniques to detect alterations. But the work doesn't stop at written documents. Here, you'll also become an expert in detecting counterfeit currency by examining security features, watermarks, and serial numbers. You learn to differentiate between real and fake money, skills that are vital in preventing financial crimes.
Next, we arrive at the polygraph room, a facility dedicated to the science of truth verification and deception detection. Polygraph room is typically used for conducting polygraph tests, or also known as lie detector test. These tests measure physiological indicators such as heart rate, blood pressure, respiratory rate, and skin conductivity, while a person is being asked a series of questions. So, there are 4 key components of polygraph machine, namely pneumograph, galvanograph, cardiograph, and lastly, chemograph. First, let's talk about these tubes. These tubes are called pneumograph tubes, used for recording the breathing pattern of a person being examined. It is attached to our chest area. Then, we have the arm cuff with ball, or also known as blood pressure cuff. The purpose of this one is to record the changes in blood pressure and strength of pulse beat. Moreover, the galvanograph component, wherein we use finger electrodes to measure changes in skin conductivity, which can indicate changes in emotional arousal of a person. And lastly, the movement and motion sensor, which is attached to the chair of a person being examined. This sensor detects subtle movements in the trunk, legs, and feet. Through hands-on experience, you'll master the process of conducting polygraph examinations, from formulating effective questions to interpreting the results. You'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how polygraphs can support the pursuit of truth in criminal cases. Our next stop is the Interrogation and Observation Room, a crucial facility where students learn the art and science of questioning and observation. In the interrogation room, you'll step into the role of an investigator, conducting interviews and interrogations that mimic real-world scenarios. Here, you'll learn how to build rapport, ask the right questions, and read the subtle cues that can lead to uncovering the truth. While one student conducts the interrogation, others observe from a separate room, analyzing body language, tone, and behavior in real time. This dual-room setup allows for critical analysis and reflection on the techniques used, providing a deeper understanding of the psychological aspect of interrogation.
Welcome to the Crime Scene Plaza Room, a facility where theory comes to life and criminology students experience the reality of crime scene investigation. In this room, you'll encounter realistic crime scene simulations designed to mirror the complexity and challenges of real-world investigations. This is where your journey as a forensic investigator begins. With hands-on experience and expert guidance, you leave this room with the confidence and competence to handle even the most complex crime scenes.
Now, we're heading to the Forensic Photography Laboratory. This room serves a critical role in documenting crime scenes and physical evidence. They utilize specialized techniques and equipment to capture detailed images that can reveal crucial information not visible to the naked eye, such as fingerprints or blood patterns. Those photographs provide permanent visual records essential for investigations and court proceedings, ensuring the integrity of evidence and aiding in the reconstruction of events. The laboratory environment allows for controlled lighting and advanced imaging techniques, enhancing the clarity and detail of the evidence being documented.
Do you know that the first forensic chemist was James Marsh? Yes, and he developed the Marsh test of arsenic in 1836. Welcome to Forensic Chemistry Laboratory Room.
Verification failed. Please try again.
Oops, it fails, but anyway, let's get inside. This room is designed to provide a controlled environment where students and instructors can analyze physical evidence related to criminal investigations. The lab is equipped with specialized tools and instruments for the identification and examination of biological samples, chemical substances, and trace evidence that are crucial for solving crimes, just like the paraffin test and footprints analysis. Welcome to Conference or Multimedia Room. This environment enhances learning opportunities for students and professionals, allowing for the effective sharing of knowledge and best practices in the field of criminology. This room serves as a space for collaboration, training, and presentations.
We, the criminology students, acting as investigators and forensic analysts, this office is our central hub for coordinating activities with our team. The crime scene office also provides us with crucial training opportunities, allowing us to enhance our skills in forensic techniques, evidence handling, and courtroom presentation. It's where we transition from learning the theory to applying it in real-world scenarios, preparing us for a future in the field. Our last stop is a moot court room, a vital space where students step into the role of legal professionals and experience the moot court environment firsthand. In the moot court room, you will bring your investigative skills full circle by participating in mock trials. This is where you learn how to present evidence, argue cases, and understand the judicial process from every angle.
Describe any actions taken by the Sisters of Providence when tickets were not delivered as expected.
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
Your Honor, I am trying to clarify the steps taken by the complainant to address the situation.
Objection overruled. Please continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Whether you're acting as a prosecutor, defense attorney, or witness, this room offers a realistic courtroom experience. Here, you will refine your ability to articulate arguments, question witnesses, and analyze the legal implications of your cases. The moot court room also challenges you to perfect your public speaking and persuasion skills as you present opening and closing statements that can sway the judge and jury. This practice is invaluable in building the confidence needed to excel in legal and law enforcement careers.
Each facility in our criminology laboratory, from the ballistic room to the moot court room, is essential to our education. Together, they provide a hands-on environment where we can develop the skills and knowledge needed to excel in a career in criminal justice, offering real-world experience that prepares us to make a meaningful impact in society. With this, as you begin your journey at Carlos Silao Memorial State University, remember that the Criminology Laboratory is more than just a place. It's where you transform your passion for justice into expertise. Here, you're not just learning about criminology, you're